ASVAB Auto and Shop Practice Test 2026, 40 questions with explained answers. Question 1. What tool is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts? Hammer, wrench, screwdriver, pliers. A wrench is the primary tool for nuts and bolts. Question 2. Which part of the engine ignites the fuel-air mixture? Radiator, spark plug, alternator, carburetor. The spark plug provides the electric spark to ignite the fuel. Question 3. What is the purpose of a car's radiator? Exhaust emission, cooling the engine, filtering oil, charging battery. The radiator dissipates heat from the engine coolant. Question 4. Which tool would you use to create a smooth finish on wood? Chisel, saw, sandpaper, drill. Sandpaper is used to smooth wood surfaces. Question 5. In a 4-stroke engine, what is the first stroke? Compression, exhaust, intake, power. The sequence is intake, compression, power, exhaust. Question 6. What does a tachometer measure? Speed, oil pressure, engine RPM, fuel level. A tachometer measures the revolutions per minute, RPM, of the engine. Question 7. Which gauge measures the electrical current in a car? Speedometer, ammeter, odometer, manometer. An ammeter measures electric current in amperes. Question 8. A Phillips refers to a type of wrench, screwdriver, hammer, saw. A Phillips screwdriver has a cross-shaped tip. Question 9. What connects the piston to the crankshaft? Timing belt, connecting rod, camshaft, valves. The connecting rod transmits motion between the piston and crankshaft. Question 10. Which of these is a part of the braking system? Distributor, caliper, piston ring, flywheel. A caliper houses the brake pads and applies pressure to the rotor. Question 11. What is the function of the alternator? Cool the engine, charge the battery, filter fuel, lubricate gears. The alternator generates electricity to charge the battery while the engine runs. Question 12. A hacksaw is primarily used to cut wood, metal, plastic pipe, concrete. Hacksaws have fine teeth designed for cutting metal. Question 13. Which part of a car controls the direction of the vehicle? Transmission, steering system, suspension, differential. The steering system allows the driver to guide the vehicle. Question 14. What tool is used to make a hole in a material? Sander, lathe, drill, plane. A drill is used for making round holes. Question 15. The viscosity of oil refers to its color, weight, thickness or resistance to flow, boiling point. Viscosity measures how thick or thin a fluid is. Question 16. What does the PCV valve stand for in an engine? Positive crankcase ventilation, power control valve, pressure cooler valve, primary combustion valve. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. Question 17. Which tool is used to measure the thickness of a gap? Ruler, feeler gauge, caliper, micrometer. A feeler gauge measures small gap widths. Question 18. What is the purpose of a muffler? Reduce engine noise, increase speed, clean exhaust, cool the engine. A muffler reduces the noise emitted by the exhaust system. Question 19. In carpentry, what is a miter cut? A cut along the grain, an angled cut across the face, a hole in the middle, a vertical slice. A miter cut is an angled cut, usually $45 degrees, to form a corner. Question 20. Which material is a flux used with during soldering? Wood, metal, glass, rubber. Flux is used to clean metal surfaces and help solder flow.